The tundra is the world's coldest biome. Its name comes from the Finnish word tunturia, meaning treeless plain. The tundra has low biotic diversity and a simple vegetation structure. The two main nutrients in the tundra are nitrogen and phosphorus. The nitrogen comes from biological fixation and the phosphorus comes from precipitation. The tundra is the world's youngest biome. It was formed about 10,000 years ago. The tundra covers about 20% of the Earth's surface. During the summers, the sun shines almost 24 hours a day and winds can reach 60 miles per hour. The Arctic tundra is located in the northern hemisphere and encircles the North Pole and extends south to the taiga. Its growing season is 50 to 60 days long. The temperatures in the Arctic average about negative 34 degrees Celsius in the winter and 3 to 12 degrees Celsius in the summer. The summer temperatures help the tundra to sustain life. Rainfall in the Arctic tundra varies, but the average yearly rainfall, including melted snow, is 15 to 25 inches. A layer of permafrost or permanently frozen subsoil exists and is made up of gravel and finer materials. The permafrost layer can be anywhere between 10 inches and 3 feet thick. Plants in the tundra do not have deep root systems. There are about 1,700 varieties of plants, including low shrubs, sedges, reindeer mosses, liverworts, and grasses, and 400 types of flowers. The plants are adapted to sweeping winds and disturbances. Fauna include lemmings, voles, caribou, Arctic hares, squirrels, Arctic foxes, wolves, polar bears, ravens, snow buntings, falcons, loons, sandpipers, terns, snowbirds, mosquitoes, flies, moths, grasshoppers, black flies, Arctic bumblebees, cod, flatfish, salmon, and trout. The animals have adapted to long, cold winters and to quickly raise their young in the summer. Mammals and birds have additional insulation from fat for warmth in the harsh cold. Many animals hibernate because food is scarce or they migrate south for the winter. The alpine tundra is located on mountains throughout the world at high altitudes where trees can't grow. The growing season is about 180 days. The nighttime temperatures are typically below freezing. Unlike the Arctic, the soil in the alpine tundra is well drained. The plants are very similar to the Arctic tundra and also include tussock grasses, dwarf trees, small-leaf shrubs, and heaths. Animals in the alpine tundra are well adapted and include pikas, marmots, mountain goats, sheep, elk, and grouse-like birds. Lastly, insects include springtails, beetles, grasshoppers, and butterflies. The tundra is one of Earth's 3 major carbon dioxide sinks. A carbon dioxide sink is a biomass that takes in more carbon dioxide than it releases. 1/3 of Earth's soil-bound carbon is in tundra permafrost. Global warming is causing the permafrost to slowly melt, which causes the organic contents to decay and release carbon dioxide. Another threat to the tundra besides global warming is air pollution, which causes smog clouds that contaminate lichen, a main food source for many animals. The third major threat to the tundra is the exploration of oil, gas, and minerals, which disturbs the tundra and causes habitat fragmentation. One solution to these problems is switching to alternative forms of energy like solar energy so that there is no need to drill for fossil fuels. Another solution would be to limit human exploration by establishing protected areas.